After doing all these rules, it gave rise to a system that was called as polynomial nomenclature. This gave rise to a system composed of three or more words, and it was called as polynomial nomenclature. For example, Salix pumila angustifolia was the name given to the willow tree according to this rules, that they have used the Latinized word. Then because of lot of name was taken from common name of the ancient Greece and Rome, then the name were supplemented by the adjectives, so that give rise to the polynomial nomenclature. That was not very acceptable, so the scientists decided to give some different way of giving names. So they decided to give, after polynomial, a binomial system of classification was given by the Linnaeus in his book Species Plantrum. The Linnaeus was the botanist, and he gave rise to the system of nomenclature called binomial nomenclature. Bi stands for two, so the scientific name is the composition of two words. It is the two name word, genus name, and the specific epithet, that is called the species name. The complete scientific name of white oak, Quercus alba L. So it is a combination of two names. That's why it is called binomial nomenclature system of naming the plants naming by the Linnaeus. So the complete scientific name is Quercus alba. L stands for Linnaeus. Quercus is for the word of genus. It has some properties. Genus name should be a singular, Latinized name, or a word treated as a noun, written with initial capital letter. Same, the alba is the species name and written with a small initial letter. And adjective, it can be an adjective explaining the distinguishing feature of the species. It is derived from any source. So Quercus alba, and L stands for Linnaeus.